Hey everybody, so I got a mail call from WrenchTrench Garage to do, so stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you there. Thanks for watching. Hey everybody, so I got a package from WrenchTrench Garage today. So we're gonna open this up and see what's in it. Sticky. Definitely well sealed. Alright. Got a couple stickers. Which I bought some stickers from him a while back, so I'll probably put one of the small ones on the toolbox somewhere, and then I'll give this one away. And then I got a note. Antonio, thank you for being such an awesome fan of the channel. Your comments keep me pushing forward. Here's a small thank you for your support. Walk in Mondu. Thanks, man. I appreciate that. I always support good channels. Looks like there's a couple shirts in here. Definitely freshly printed. WrenchTrench Garage. I like the camo. The camo looks pretty cool. The back doesn't have anything on this one, and this one these are Gildan shirts. Heavy cotton tearaway. Extra large. Wow. What's this one? Oh, cool. This one has his original logo on it. Like his sticker. It's sticky. You can smell the ink, so they must have been, as soon as they were printed, they must have been folded, and that's why they're sticky. That's pretty awesome. These are really nice shirts. Thank you so much, WrenchTrench. I appreciate it, brother. Try to get the logos in the frame. That's what that one looks like. Unstick it a little. Move this out the way. Try to make it somewhat flat. I dig this one with the camo. I like the camo. And then this shirt is just a small little patch. These are both nice shirts. Thank you, Mondu. Appreciate it, brother. So I'm going to leave down in the description below, I'm going to leave a link to WrenchTrench Garage. And I will also leave a card up here for you guys to go check out his channel. And I'll link one of his videos in a card up here as well. Video that I quite enjoy. And go check out his channel. He's got some really good videos on fixing up an older Mustang and rebuilding the motor. So please go check out his channel. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, and you can also go to his store. He's got some of these. I'm pretty sure he's probably got a couple of these t-shirts on his store. And I know you can buy the stickers because I bought some stickers from him in the past. Go support his channel. Go buy some merch from his store. I'm sure he'd appreciate it. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace.